Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best electric griddle. So let's get started. Number 7. Presto 19-inch tilt-end fold griddle. Presto is a powerhouse brand when it comes to electric griddles, and for good reason. Out of all the griddles we tested, this one did the best job at evenly browning pancakes. This griddle boasts a tilt-end fold feature in which the legs fold inward and lock for easy storage. While in use, the tray tilts at an angle to catch grease in the drip tray. When cleaning this griddle, the power cord can be detached for safe and easy cleaning. Rachel found there wasn't much to clean off this griddle, due to the nonstick surface. You can control the temperature of your griddle by choosing between a range of cooking temperatures, depending on what you're whipping up. Rachel says, this griddle is great for families and makes plenty of food on one cooking surface. Priced at under $50, you can't go wrong with this electric griddle. Number 6. Zojirushi Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle. Although this griddle has the highest price tag of all the ones we tested, it has some impressive features to show for it. This electric griddle comes with a lid, a complimentary spatula, and a titanium-enhanced, non-stick surface. It should be noted that this griddle was the largest of all the ones we tested, and may be difficult to store due to its size. This griddle doesn't have a drip tray, but the entire cooking surface is detachable for easy cleaning. Out of all the griddles we tested, this one produced the most consistent fried eggs, mostly due to the removable lid which allowed the yolk to set. The textured surface of this griddle also kept the egg white from spilling into a wider puddle. This griddle has a lot to offer, but the high price tag may be hard to justify. Number 5. Presto 22-inch electric griddle. Presto proves once again that you don't have to break the bank to get a great electric griddle. It has removable handles and legs that require little assembly, and makes for extra room in your cabinets. Although the textured surface can leave a pattern on flat foods like pancakes, it helps to tch runnier foods like eggs. The power cord can be removed, allowing you to immerse the cooktop in water and safely clean it. Rachel found this griddle to heat very quickly, and its large surface allowed her to comfortably cook up to 8 pancakes at a time. The excess grease from the fried eggs slid easily into the grease trap opening. If you're in the market for an affordable, no-frills griddle that does its job well, look no further than this top-rated griddle from Presto. Number 4. Nostalgia Non-Stick Copper. This affordable electric griddle is large enough to hold up to 6 pancakes, and includes a warming tray that can store several pieces of bacon and pancakes. This griddle takes a little more time to heat up than the others we tested, but it heats evenly throughout the cooking surface. Rachel found that eggs slip and slide a little on the surface of this griddle, but this can be prevented by turning the heat up. At such a reasonable price point, this is a great griddle for families. It offers some neat added features and is comparable to higher-priced griddles when it comes to cooking food evenly throughout. Number 3. Broil King PCG-10. We had to let you know about this top-rated griddle from Broil King. Rachel says, this griddle is very efficient in terms of cooking pancakes with beautiful, even browning and making eggs that just slip off the surface. This griddle is made here in the US, and features a leg extender that helps to tilt the tray and allows grease to fall into the drip tray. It also indicates when the surface has reached the desired temperature. Other notable features include cool touch handles and legs, and a removable splatter shield. We have to hand it to this griddle for its smooth and seamless surface. Despite the efficiency of this griddle, it doesn't fold or allow for easy storage, and should not be submerged in water to clean. For the price, there is some room for improvement when it comes to storage and cleanup, but there's no doubt it will leave you with a beautiful breakfast every time. Number 2. Cuisinart GR-4NP1 Griddler. If versatility is important to you, the 5-in-1 Griddler from Cuisinart is a great choice. This model has interchangeable plates that allow you to use the machine as a griddle or grill, as well as a traditional panini press. A waffle plate option is also available for purchase. Open the lid all the way to create a flat-top griddle, perfect for making pancakes, eggs, and bacon for the family. Use the selector knobs in front to control the temperature, from 175 to 450 degrees in griddle mode. When in panini, grill mode, you have a variable temperature selection from low to sear, so you can adjust to your heating preferences as needed. This easy-to-use griddle-grill combo has a sturdy brushed stainless steel exterior, easy to maintain with a simple wipe down to remove any debris. Cleaning up is simple. The removable nonstick plates are dishwasher safe but can also be easily washed by hand. Number 1. NutriChef Electric Griddle. This electric crepe maker and griddle by NutriChef has an easy-to-adjust temperature dial and a large 12 inches, flat nonstick cooking surface that cooks quickly and evenly, which are tester highlights. It has an impressively even cooking surface. The crepes cooked evenly from one side to the other. She raves. This surface also has a short lip so that your batter doesn't spill over the edge. Plus, the NutriChef comes with a wooden pastry spreader and wooden crepe turner with beveled edges, which our tester found extremely helpful in folding over the crepes due to their large diameter. She also likes that the appliance is multi-purpose. She can cook other breakfast favorites such as eggs, bacon, and sausage with it.